Okay, full disclosure, I used to wake up in panic attacks so often. Wake up with that jolt, that fear, just not living life right, doing something wrong, fear of what might happen, what didn't happen, all of that. And I discovered these 7 simple steps that completely transformed my relationship with fear. I went from literally standing on a subway platform in New York City, wanting to end my life, to where I am now, waking up peaceful and grateful every morning. It's the practical application of these A Course in Miracles principles. And the thing is, most people think that fear comes from what's happening out there, but it's actually from what's happening in here, what we're thinking, what we're holding in our mind, our beliefs. And we can heal this. It is powerful when you start using the tools that I am offering in this free class. I've taught these 7 simple steps to thousands of people over the past 15 years, and they work whether you're dealing with anxiety or money fears, relationship drama, or that constant worry that something bad is about to happen. Oy, oy, oy. If you're tired of fear running your life and you want to learn the exact tools. It's a system, really, that saved my sanity. I'm giving away my complete 7 simple steps to interrupt patterns of fear class, and it's totally free. Link in my bio. This isn't about positive thinking or pretending everything's fine. This is about actual tools that work. When you're in the middle of a fear spiral and need real help right now, here you go. You can watch it again and again and again, listen to it again and again. The more you listen, the more you will hear. So grateful to share with you.